Wow, viral Korean street food. Audie is making a very delicious pancake. I think that is a batter made of glutinous rice. Wow, the pan is steaming hot. Look at that steam. Be careful not to touch it. I don't want you to get hurt. How long will it take to cook the pancake? Please let me know and comment it down below. And there's an egg, too. I can't wait to eat that pancake. Oh, she's spreading the egg. That pancake will be so yummy. Look at the yolk. I bet if a bite will feel like heaven. I wonder what she will add next. That is looking so good. I hope she adds chocolate. That would be crazy. Or maybe not. Kids love chocolate. Look at that pancake. Oh boy, I can eat that all day. Unless my mom eats it first. Ha ha ha. What is she doing in there? Maybe that's where the other ingredients are. I think she is going to add more yummy things to the pancake. That pancake needs some sauce, though. I wish she could add some. There, I wonder what is that? Maybe a tonkatsu sock dressing. That looks perfect to that pancake. Wow, that sauce is thick. Maybe it is savory and will add more flavor to the pancake. 3 pumps of that sauce is perfect. She is now spreading the sauce. I hope it is not salty. I cannot eat too much salt. It's like a pizza with a dark sauce. I bet she will add some vegetables and meat to that pancake. Oh look, she is now adding some vegetables, some bacon and cheese. I can finish that in 1 minute. There's the cheese. I love cheese. Sometimes I wish I can eat that all day. But my daddy told me that I cannot have good things all the time. I don't know what he meant. Maybe old people can explain it to me. That cheese needs to melt. It looks better when melted, I think. Oh no, some more vegetables. The leafy ones help you with your digestion, so I think that one is okay. She also added a cracker. Wow, she is now folding the pancake. Be careful, Auntie. That pancake is mine. I want to see its inside. I bet it looks very appetizing. Auntie is cutting the pancake in half. I love you, Auntie. Look at the layers. You can see the vegetables, the cheese and the meat. The pancake looks crispy and flaky, too. She is now putting them inside the bag. Thank you for watching and happy eating. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.